Hi guys, here is BSC. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for BMW X1 E84 29 to 2015 years. Okay, today I will introduce how to install and use Carplay and Android Auto on this screen. Okay, let me check this MIUI. This dashboard, it can show the original information. It keep and remain BMW functions. All apps are here. Okay, there is two USB cable. You need to install application for Android Auto and Carplay at first. Okay, this is USB driver. Connect USB. It already shows the USB. You can download the application from Google Play Store. Okay, let me file manage. You can choose USB. This SD card is this USB. Application for Android Auto. AutoKit is application APK. Please AutoKit APK install. Click install it. It's showing installing. Okay, open it. Please click allow. Okay, this plug and play. You can check this working mode, speed fluently compatible. Okay. You can find the app AutoKit. Okay, this is Carplay. This is Carplay. Let me take out the box. Okay, it will show this instruction menu. You can check this iPhone and Android Auto. This use menu. Okay. There are this is Carplay Android Auto dongle. Let me check AutoKit. AutoKit USB adapter. The USB. Okay. When we connect the USB, this connects your phone. Please OK. Okay. Okay, this is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Let me open the phone. You can check already installed Android Auto. Okay, let me check this system. Find the settings info. You can check Android version is 8.1. Orion system, RAM 2GB, ROM 32GB. Okay. This is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Let me check the version. You can check. Its Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay. I already opened the developer options. USB debugging already opened. Okay. This USB from Galaxy S8 Plus. Okay. Connect this adapter. Okay, let me plug in. Okay, it will show the connecting, show Android Auto. Okay, this is home. This time, this return, this music. You can listen music from Google Play Store. Sorry, Google Play Music, Pandora, Spotify. You need to log in use Spotify. This Google Maps. It's free phone call. You can make a free phone call. This do not connect, pair the Bluetooth. You can pair Bluetooth at first, it will show. Okay. Okay, this is Carplay. This is Android Auto. Let me introduce Carplay. This is my iPhone XS. Okay, let me open my phone. Okay, let me check the settings. Okay, firstly you need let me check this iOS version. Sorry, let me check the other. Please open the Siri open Siri and search. Okay. This USB cable, let me connect connect dongle. Click OK. Okay, it's show connecting. Okay, it's show Carplay. This is Carplay. You have maps, navigation. Okay. And other application you can install it. Okay, this is Carplay. Okay, that's all. Thank you.